Hey guys, welcome to the 7 days challenge. What we are doing here is we are trying to make our first $100 within 7 days. So, what we have done till now, we have discussed what to do on day 1, we have discussed what to do on day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. We are done. We are on the last day. Okay, so once we have done all the things that we have discussed till now you can actually scale it big if you have started getting that initial traction. If you have started getting that initial sales, you can scale it very fast. How do you scale it? You can use Facebook ads, you can use Google search ads, you can use YouTube ads, you can use Pinterest ad, you can use TikTok ads. You can do multiple things when it comes to ads. Okay, and what you can do is that whatever was working for you in a limited time, you can actually scale it, you can make it really big. Okay, so all that is there to the system is that you want email addresses and then you follow up, right? That's all that is there. You have to just create content after that, right? You email addresses and automation is done. Now you just have to create the content. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Okay, just whenever you feel that yes, you have made your first $100 or first $1,000, you can actually start using these ads to get a lot of people into your ecosystem very fast, and so that your business also grows, okay, exponentially. So you can use that, but it is not for people who haven't been able to make their first $100 also. So if you have not made your first $100 yet, just work on your content. Just look at the content that others are creating, follow it, give it your own spin. Okay, and create it. Just try to master the platform that you're using. For example, if you're using Instagram, see the kind of hashtags people are using. Okay, your competitors are using, what hashtags are they using, when are they posting, what kind of content are they posting. Just keep working on that if you have not made your first $100. But if you have made your first $100 to $1,000, you can easily start scaling with these tactics, because getting people, if you have a very good lead magnet idea, getting people to your list becomes very simple, and then you can just scale it big with your email follow-ups and the retargeting ads. Okay, so now the day 7 is all about scaling and retargeting, but this is a little bit high level stuff. If you want more details, I'll just there are a little more details in my ebook that is there. As I told you that there is a free book that I give you, which is called as $100 ebook, which is 7 days challenge. Okay, the same thing that I'm doing, it is a written version. Okay, so on day number 7, I've mentioned how you can basically use scaling and retargeting ads also. So if you want to go in more details, you can check it out. But if you haven't made your first $100 yet, just stick to content creation, and once you're done with that, you can just go with that. Okay, and as I always say, that if you get stuck somewhere, just contact me. Okay, don't feel stuck, don't get stopped there, because you've done a lot of hard work. So please continue it. The first $100 may seem like a lot of task, but it becomes so totally worth it when you start seeing the results. Okay, just be with me. Contact me if you have any doubts. There will be a link in the description. You can get to me, you can talk to me, and we'll be able to figure it out. Okay, so guys, I think that you enjoyed the challenge. I'm not sure that if there was something that I have missed, but if there is something that you're not very clear about, if you're not very sure about a particular thing, just let me know what kind of topics do you think are missing in this challenge. Okay, just let me know what videos do you want me to create, so that I'll be creating it for you. Okay, so if you like the challenge, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and let me know. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me for 7 days. I wish and I pray that you make a lot of money really soon. Thank you. Bye bye.